In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause or cancel a subscription using the Odoo 17 Sales app. This process is part of the new features that Odoo 17 has introduced, making subscription management more seamless and user-friendly. Let's dive right into it to ensure you have a smooth experience adjusting your subscriptions according to your needs. First, we need to navigate to the official Odoo website. To do this, open your web browser and type in odoo.com, leading you to Odoo's open-source ERP and CRM platform. Once there, head over to the top right corner of the page and look for the Sign In button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Ensure you have these details handy, as you'll need them to access your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Odoo dashboard. This dashboard acts as your central hub for managing various aspects of your Odoo account. From here, seek out the Subscriptions app, which is specifically designed to handle all things subscription-related. This is where we'll perform the actions necessary to pause or cancel a subscription. Within the Subscriptions section, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. Choose the particular subscription you wish to modify by clicking on it. This action will bring up detailed options and settings for the selected subscription. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Settings option for this subscription. Clicking this will lead you to various adjustments and options you can apply to your selected subscription. To pause your subscription, locate the pause feature within the settings. This functionality allows you to effectively put the subscription on hold, pausing any charges or activities until you decide to resume it. This can be particularly useful if you're temporarily unable to make use of the subscription, or if you're undergoing budget constraints. It's this kind of flexibility that makes managing subscriptions with Odoo 17 so practical. Remember that once you've paused a subscription, it doesn't automatically resume. You'll need to manually restart it once you're ready to continue utilizing the services. Also, be mindful of any specific terms and conditions that might apply to pausing your subscription, as they can vary based on the service or provider. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to pausing or canceling your subscriptions in the Odoo 17 Sales app. By following these steps, you can ensure your subscription management is both efficient and tailored to suit your changing needs. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on using Odoo's versatile applications.